and then he would take off his coat. And begin he would send the girl out of the 16 others. And then one of the boys, after he had to tell her what size to get, "Now you go and get me my hammer, Will," he would shoot, "and you bring me the roll of thumb. I shall want the step ladder, and I had better have kitchen chair. And don't you go, Mary, because I shall want somebody to hold me the light. When the girl comes back, the must go you again for a bit of picture for Tom. Where's Tom? Tom, you come here. Tom Castable. I shall want to you hand me the picture, and then he would lift up the picture and drop it, and it would come out for the farm. He would try to save the glass and cut himself. Running the camera. Bas. And then he would lift up the picture and drop it, and it would come out of the frame. He would try to save the glass and cut himself. Then he would spring round for the looking for his handkerchief. He would not find his handkerchief because it was in the pocket of the coat he had taken off. And he did not know where he had put up the coat. All the house had to leave off looking for his tools and start looking for his coat, while he would dance round and hidden them. Does not anybody in the whole house know where my coat is? I never come across such a sheet in all my life.